What up, Glenn? Where we at?
Oakland.
In Oakland, doing what?
About to eat some chicken.
Yes.
Buttermilk fried chicken.
Where we at? Bake sale, baby.
Damn. See?
You a beast, babe.
How's it?
Good? And you check the hot sauce on there.
Gotta get saucy.
Yes, salsa.
Get it saucy.
Man, where you at? It's your birthday.
About to eat right now.
You got the salad. Not feeling bread today. How was the food?
Delicious.
Delicious. It had coleslaw, which none of us like coleslaw, but their coleslaw
It's good.
It's really good, and it's not all mayo-y and weird, and it's actually really spicy. And the chicken was good too.
Everything was good.
But now,
time for some shots.
what up, y'all? We are in San Francisco now. Still celebrating Glenn. Chinatown.
Eating some bao.
Yeah, some dim sum. Eating that good, and exploring the city. Watch your step.
You want to try one? Can I get
You gotta hold it.
You gotta stand on the side over here, babe.
Stand on the side, get out of the way before they start cussing at
They
us.
don't fight you. These certain people, they don't play. They don't play.
Now you blocking the entrance. You blocking the entrance. They're about to stop you up. What is the white stuff?
I don't eat chives.
You don't eat chives?
Not in here. Not these ones.
How's it?
Is it hull?
Balls.
Is
Is
that
that sauce hull or
Is it
what?
how them balls?
Is it hull?
I put sauce in it.
So it's not, oh, you mixed it.
This one was good the last time.
The other one had.
We in the alleyway. It's popping.
Here, you want
Here, hold on. Wait, they're taking a picture.
We're taking a picture, bro. Don't be ruining the picture.
everybody call it right.
Ooh, I didn't know coming sprinkles too. It smells hella good now.
Oh, look at that.
You can see them over here, where they make it back here.
Yeah, it's a fortune cookie.
Yes, sir.
Compared to the,
Yeah.
the ginormous
Dang, giant one. Oh my god.
Take this one.
one. You like the dark chocolate.
Oh, you like the
Just like your
dark
man.
Same skin color.
Yeah, just like your man's.
Okay, open it. What does it say, Blan?
Career girls, mine moves her something.
But your hand's blocking it. Moves her head while chorus girls mine moves her behind. Okay.
Let's see what yours say.
What does
Mine
it say?
says making love to a woman too many times is like scratching a place that doesn't itch anymore.
Oh. Amy, you want to try one?
That is not enough then.
Amy, you gotta try one.
It is assured that the bluebird of happiness will crap on your next birthday cake. Oh, that's you, bluebird. you almost shit on my birthday cake.
I can't. Oh my god, that's funny.
Don't even enjoy that.
Yeah, you gotta be good.
Jay? Read mine. I'm gonna go for chocolate too. I like chocolate. Mine says, lovers leap is the distance between twin beds. What does that mean?
Ooh, we got 2 double beds in the hotel.
I don't know what that means.
We're gonna hear some squeaking tonight.
So we got some drinks. I got some dragon fruit. Amy got some, what you got, Amy?
Passion fruit.
Oh, passion fruit. It's looking beautiful. What about you, Blan? What you got?
Got mango.
Mango basic B or whatever. The dude said, when I go to the bathroom, it comes out this color, don't call 911. It's normal. I'm like, okay, if you say so.
hotel?
Wow.
There's the elevator music?
On my phone.
It's so comfortable.
What floor are we on?
Oh, we on floor 4, I think. Oh, look how cute.
Okay. Thank you. I'm gonna take a selfie right here.
Toy.
Hey, api kerug. Where does that take us? Show me the magic. Ooh. Ooh. Yes.
Oh, it's not even put together. Just 2 rooms next to each other.
Yeah.
It's not a put together.
Okay, we can walk down the street. Let's see how big the. Let's see how far the street is. Right here. Disconnected. Tom Jing over here.
It looks like it.
I like the other one more light.
I thought so. Well, it is basically it is connected.
It's kind of connected, yeah.
Instead of this has a vanity. Oh, okay. Hi.
What up, Tony?
Well.
What's up, Tony?
What do we have here? What's up, girl? We're all gonna stay in this one room. What's up,
Hey, baby.
Oh, get it, girl.
Get it, Johnny.
I can't believe we made it. Yeah. Amy's gonna highlight me, y'all. Oh shit.
No, I'll blend it. I'll blend it. I'll blend color.
Feels heavy. Man, are you drunk? What the fuck? Stay still.
I gotta make like a movie.
Make it like a movie.
I gotta move around.
My nose. Oh, my nose too.
Okay, go to the other side.
And then all of a sudden it got hella popular. Even their own brand, you know how they sell like, no, wait for other brands, tell me. Let's do it.
Man, how's my
Oh, there you
highlight?
go. There you go.
Let me, they ready.
Or whatever.
Hold your mouth.
What's my mouth?
I don't know. It got on you. Did it get on you?
Hey, you're a K-pop star.
Yeah, I felt it.
Hey, you're a
Oh,
K-pop
bling
star.
bling! I see that. Bow.
Bam.
Thanks, Amy.
With the highlight.
Highlighted. Okay, let's take a shot.
Bam.
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 Take a shot. Oh, she dropped his phone. Freaking savung ass, John.
Oh, it's so tight.
1, 2.
Hi. Happy birthday, Blaine. Happy birthday,
Thanks.
Alright, he's just a BMW, guys.
Oh shit.
Oh,
Okay, Mr. Bean.
no, it's just
Johnny, what are you eating?
I'm eating a shrimp taco. Look at how beautiful it is. Wow. Wow. Sweet? Spicy?
You okay?
No, babe, this Johnny's mukbang. Okay?
Yeah, you okay?
That's how my mukbangs go though.
What's your name again? Nick. Nick. Yes. Nick, are you okay?
Good.
Birthday, dear Colin. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Bland.
Happy birthday, Johnny.
It's not my birthday.
Read it loud.
Friends. Never hesitate to tackle the most difficult problem.
Ah, that's what you guys get. Sleep with a stripper tonight. Black, you gonna sleep with a stripper
Hey, read
tonight?
that loud for everybody.
You guys.
Leaving the room now.
Bye-bye.
This shit is,
Bye.
Goodwill.
Hopefully, it's time for ramen.
Oh shit.
Stupid.
He's not even catching anything.
Everyone is on their phone.
Oh, okay. I thought you were transferring. That was fun. I missed the
Oh, then there's more glasses.
ice one.
Who's missing one? Jay's missing one.
I'm good. That's it. Just hell stop.
Jay here.
You don't want it. You don't want it. You don't want it. Whatever I'm out, I just. Thank you,
Guys, cheers.
Cheers.
Wee. Katanaya. Ooh, that pork belly though. Damn. Hey y'all, we are at Red. We're at the port at Red. What is this fucking place called?
Redwood City.
Redwood City. What Amy said. They're having they're doing the fireworks out here, and they got some food trucks. Check out my food though. Wow. And they got some fries. Some Old Bay fries. It's a pretty cool spot. There's a lot of people out here.
What about right there in that corner without
And Amy. Chisel. What'd you say? Amy, what did you say? What are you doing? Take lightning?
Maintain.